Let's take this nice and slow, just one strum per measure for now. So, gotta, switch to the G, shake, shake, back to the D, my sillies out. And then shake, shake, shake my sillies out. Back to that first pattern. Shake, shake, shake my sillies out and wiggle my waggles away. Okay, let's speed it up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and add some up strums in there too. So you wanna go, gotta shake, shake, shake my sillies out. Shake, shake, shake my sillies out. Shake, shake, shake my sillies out. Wiggle my waggles away. Okay, let's try it all the way through and up to speed. And when we do it up to speed, we're also going to add in some up strums to give it a little bit more liveliness. Don't worry about getting it perfect, just play with it. Gotta shake, shake, shake my sillies